Hello guys, I am TxGAmeAssitant. So I am currently working on game loop recent issue. That issue is called the key mapping, and C slide is not working, but now it's successfully working and I fixed it. It was quite long with the process. So how you can fix it? First of all, you need to go to the your
The airdrop is coming.
downloaded program, the program files first, the TxGAmeAssitant you can see, and then UI, and find the default key mapping over there. So the default key mapping is here. You will find that first you need to copy this, and I already copied in my on my desktop, you can see as a backup. Now you have to copy the downloaded one. I can give you the link of the downloaded one here, so you can copy and paste it. It is the downloaded one. Then after you open the game, first 10 minutes it will not work properly. So go to the or visit the battle royale and you can fix it. So how you can do that? Open the key mapping. You can see I open the key mapping over there, so you can easily reset from here. First of all, after you reset, just you can delete the C first, and you can again create one key map and place it over that there, and you can press C again. I already did that, so I'm not going to do that again. So after that, press save, and if it will not work at your first time, so you can try it. It will work in your second time. So that's you can fix it, the game loop well known issue easily. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. You you need to only delete the key once and just delete and place it. That's how you can fix it, and you will get this free key mapping XML from a link. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.